How skin absorb creams. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how skin absorb creams. Creams are essential products for everyone to maintain a healthy and youthful complexion. However, it is essential to understand how the cream is absorbed by the skin to get the maximum benefits. Creams contain substances that help to moisturize, hydrate and protect the skin from the external environment. When applied to the skin, the cream is absorbed through the skin's stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is the outermost layer of the skin that protects the body from the external environment. It has a very high barrier function that keeps moisture from penetrating the skin. Creams work by disrupting the barrier function of the skin to allow the active ingredients to penetrate the skin. However, some factors can affect the rate at which the cream is absorbed by the skin. These factors include the type of cream, the skin's moisture level, the age of the skin, and the person's skin type. If you have dry skin, you may need to apply the cream more frequently to make it work. It may take some time for the cream to penetrate the skin. On the other hand, oily skin can tend to have a thicker layer of oil that can slow down the absorption of the cream. Therefore, it is essential to find the right cream for your skin type to ensure that it works effectively. In conclusion, understanding how skin absorb creams is crucial for maximizing the benefits of the product. Remember to choose a cream that suits your skin type and apply it regularly to make it work. Thank you for listening.